Hey YouTube, this is Kim here. I'm doing a review, a quick, simple, easy review on It Cosmetics. I love it. I have it on just parts of my face. I tuck it off right here so you can see all of my imperfections. Um, and I just want to show you how easy it covers. It does say it's full coverage. It is 50%. 50 plus SPF. It doesn't have a smell. Nope, it doesn't have a smell to it. And you need just a little. I think it's a little bit like $40, and it lasts a good several good months. So just as long as you don't have to pack on a bunch. I am oily to dry skin combination, so I hope this works. I know every skin is different, but hopefully this will work for everybody. They do have different skin types for people, so you might want to check it out, but this is mainly for me. It looks really smooth. Let me try it now so I can show you. It comes with something real easy. You just push it, it comes out. I'm just gonna use this much on my cheeks, and actually this is a little too much, but whatever. I'm gonna still do it anyway. It's good. There you see all my little imperfections here, and actually sometimes I like my freckles, but sometimes I don't. It really does make it look flawless. I even wear it too. Like when I go to weddings or go out and have a girls' day, I really like to put on a whole face. I'm not a makeup artist or even try to act like I am. I'm not the best or anything, but I know when a good product is a great product. So, okay, here you go. See how smooth, and it covers a great bit. And thing is, okay, I will say it doesn't cover like, oh my god, it's gonna, like, if you have like really thick, dark imperfections. I don't know, unless you maybe put 2 coats of it. I don't need 2 coats, so I've never really just tried. But I like a really flawless look. I don't want it to look cakey at all. That, to me, that is like the worst of the worst. When someone has like a cakey face, it really bothers me. I just want it really smooth. It feels light. It feels great. I wear it almost every day if I'm going to work. If I don't have to go to work, then I might not wear anything at all. I like my face to breathe, and I will say this does help my face to breathe. It's like almost like a tint instead of like a full face foundation and all that, but it really does what it does. I mean, you can tell it does amazing. And right now you can see a little shine right here, but I don't think it really does have that shine. But if you do get it, just get a little powder and press it on, and voila. Here's another trick. Makeup remover. I love makeup removers. I'm gonna do a quick one. I might do a better review later. This is my favorite makeup remover. All you need is cotton. I got some makeup on it right now. Cocoa butter formula. I do the unscented or fragrance free cocoa butter because I don't like the smell. I don't like a lot of like SPF smells or anything like that. And cocoa butter, I'm not a big fan of it. So let me smell. It really doesn't have a smell. It might have a light something kind of, I don't know, but it doesn't bother me at all. So I put this much on. I'm gonna show you even my eye makeup. I'm gonna take off my eye. All I have is eyeliner from Tarte. This is amazing. You sit it there for just a few seconds. And if you have a problem with really removing something, just kind of rub it, but don't like push it around, because you don't want to like mess with your eyes too much. And then just voila, it's gone. I mean, literally, just wipe it off. And one thing about this cocoa butter is that it's not greasy. Like, not at all. Like a lot of the makeup removers, they're real oily and stuff. This one is not. And now let me show you. Ooh, let me just show you that. That's just one eye, literally. Look how much it comes off. And then let me get some more. And then let's just put it on the face. And I'm not even like rubbing it hard, nothing. I do not like anything abrasive on my skin because it hurts. Like my eyes, they're real sensitive. I feel like I can't even put mascara on very well without it like itching. So here you go. I hope this helps. Please subscribe. I'm gonna try to make better videos and all that and better reviews. I have a lot of products. I just hope you guys help me out here. Subscribe, share my videos, share my tips. You guys have a good day. Bye.